Good morning, what's up? It's the MOPAR Cowboy. Going out to a 360 car show today called Cars and Stripes. Gonna get some breakfast and I'll see you guys there. It's not that long. I really hate sitting in these damn lines. Yeah, just got done getting breakfast. Okay, so we're basically here right now. See, I wasn't the first one like last time. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge turnout with exquisite MOPARs. Comes our lawnmower. Yeah. Shut up, you do the same thing. Last time we were here was Taco Fest. We were supposed to be over 300 cars pre-registered this time. So it's going to be about triple Taco Fest. Lawnmower! I didn't get on a video, but again, a white Civic that let all of us through to be part of our club together. You're a real MVP. This is just a line to get in. So I'm sitting in line and Scott's taking his roof off. It's a Jeep thing, you wouldn't understand. Gotta take a roof off in traffic. Okay, so we're here, registered in. Car show is actually about 4 times the size of a Taco Fest one that I went to about 6 months ago. You know, I'm not an expert, but that's probably not good. So, one of the sponsors that sponsors a lot of the cars in my club, Ultra Wheel Company, they have their photographer out taking photos of my truck for Works Wheels. It's a related company to Ultra Wheel Company. There's starting to be a trend at this car show of cars that are wrapped or painted 2 different colors on each side. Like I said, there's a small growing trend of 2 different color cars.
Hey.
So I actually met this guy at another car show. He's a really cool guy. His build's pretty cool too. He's had it since I think he's 15 years old. It's an old farm truck that he restored. He's been in his family all this time. The title of this project's Heaven Bound. Go get meet him. He's a really nice guy. I forget his name, but I've met him once. He's pretty cool. Man, I just love this orange that's on his truck too. I think this one makes a Rumblebee look a little small, don't you think? I believe I already said it, but this car show benefits veterans of all kinds. So they have a huge military vehicle display here too. 6x6, few Humvees. It's like old Jeep. car show it goes on forever. There's cars everywhere. There's over 300 plus cars just pre-registered alone, let alone ones that show up on a day of. It just goes on forever. I could be here all day filming this place and still not get off cars, so I'm gonna just enjoy a little bit of events, get stuff to eat. I'll be back around trophy time to do a little bit more filming.
You know, without you guys, I've told you guys 1,000 times, without you, I am nothing without you guys. You know, you guys are the ones that make this happen. I'm just the guy that runs back and forth and just adds stuff, you know? So we're gonna start the Judy Cruz. Judy! Who, number Judy? Judy. Okay, there she is on the side right here. With her quarters and everything. Up in the second place, Chrysler, Charlie Franson. Oh, Charlie! And first place, Chrysler, Doug Kranz. Charger. And it's his birthday, guys. Make sure as he walks by, punch him. Just punch him. First place, SUV. Jose Cortez. I thought you had enough.
Okay, so the car show's over. I did not win anything like the previous car show. I'm going to be working on getting a few more sponsors pretty soon. I haven't sent out any emails or anything. I'm going to do it this week actually. And hopefully I can actually start winning some stuff at car shows. But I just come out to be with my MOPAR family mainly. So yeah, I come out to support good causes these shows have, be my MOPAR family. But trophies are a good perk though. nice bonus. So yeah, stay tuned for next video.